Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH had recently visited the JAWAHARLAL NEHRU Sports Complex in Shillong to inspect the ongoing upgradation work of the complex as well as of the 5th football ground in the area. The sports minister was accompanied by President of the Meghalaya State Olympics Association MSOA, John F. KHARSHIING, and other state government officials. Speaking to news reporters, BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH informed that the JN Sports Complex is being renovated and upgraded, while the indoor stadium will be upgraded into a state-of-the-art complex that will hold events for various sports disciplines. LYNGDOH added that the 5th football ground at Polo will also be covered with artificial turf, while the seating arrangement will be upgraded as per international standards.
Pi kani kalong kumba sa pokor duna kani ke GN complex bat kamadan bat ka sitting bat kini covered gallery bat kumju katai ka fifth ground pat ke indoor international state of arts kan syong kumba khandai punyo kur ngila khot tanda bat kumju katai pot tennis court kan don ki swimming pool kan don bun ki indoor activities mo ki discipline ki bangin bu antai kan don kan long kumba laipo khandai kror ka criminal swimming pool ngila khat tandar ko basip okro re kini ki major project ki bangila simkhian na kaliang state ka jongi ngongi pi hadien ngila dap san posnem kan long ke jingle rain la dang imla ban penbiang ini ki bro dengan dokumen mang simkhia bar uchi minister ba government jongi ki colleagues cabinet jongi ki bakloi ban pediang ya kini ki jing terwa na kabenta bangin wanra ki infrastructure ki babiang na kabenta kinong ilakai bar kinong song snong na kabenta ka jella ka bayi ki jongi tekan ni kalong ke ngan itu pi ka achievement ngan ong no wala da kam kampat kadang ya ru andrai ngong pi andong pi pat bakli ila ka jong khmat pat baki kam kelayai wala ni padap ka kam kelayai ka jing persang ka jongi ngila persang na kabenta benle ka babahatam mangi sotu sai baki nong song snong ki jongi ki ba ka kam ilakai le ila jong khmat de dai na ta daw ngiru ni wan khmat banle ka babahatam ban wan ra ki infrastructure ko biang box state ki